Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another vlog type thing. I don't know if you guys are enjoying these or not, but anyway, so it's currently, what time is it, 8 something? It's 8:37 a.m. As you guys can see, so from the last time I talked to you guys when I did the DIY gel pedicure, I only did my toes, but I actually did my nails as well, because today I just did something simple. I didn't do a color because I wanted it to be kind of neutral as far as my nails were concerned. So I just did the pearl color that I had in that artist collection from the I Method Beauty gel color. So it just looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Pretty simple, but yet showing. And this is the only time where I did like three colors. I did the coat 3 times because I wanted it to show. I wasn't sure if it was going to show, but it shows for the most part. It's kind of like a shiny, glimmery color. What was I going to say? So yeah, today I have photo shoot. It's going to happen at my home. Shout out to my aunt who's actually going to take the photos because, yeah, I didn't hire anybody to do anything. But I'm gonna try. So actually, of course, I'm doing my own makeup. I didn't hire anybody to do my makeup either. Nothing like that. I did choose a few outfits and stuff that I'm gonna wear, but anyway, I digress. I'm gonna actually do a reverse, and I'm gonna eat my breakfast first before like getting ready and stuff. That way, you know, I already have my breakfast, because I don't want to go ahead, do my makeup, and then eat my breakfast, and then I'm not gonna say I'm making a mess in my clothes, but I just want to like kind of just have that time to like sit there, because I know, knowing me, I take my time. That way I could just sit after I showered, get my makeup look that I want done, and yeah.
Hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk with you. God, I wanna walk with you. I'm missing every piece of the puzzle, and I think that I don't need to speak to the only one who sees everything going on inside, everything that I'm trying to hide, everything I've been trying to fight, everything. So reposture my heart, reposture my mind, to know this connection is a
Stay flat and laid. I used the Gorilla Snot, the Miko del Gorilla Snot Gel. This is the only one that actually keeps my edges laid all day. Sorry, my thing is kind of messy, but this is the only thing that keeps my edges laid and doesn't start puffing up. So hopefully with me tying it, that's why I did them first. But let's get into it.
It's a blessing that you never press decline. Gotta hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk with you. God, I wanna walk with you. Hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk with you. God, I wanna walk with you. The prayers of the righteous availeth much. That's why I hit your line, I gotta keep in touch, yeah. Pick up the phone, I'm here alone, and I need the one that sits on the throne. You know just what I need before I say a thing. You know just what I need, but you still just wanna talk to me. Gotta hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. Hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk with you. God, I wanna walk I'm missing every piece of the puzzle, and I think that I don't need to speak to the only one who sees everything going on inside, everything that I'm trying to hide, everything I've been trying to fight, everything. So reposture my heart, reposture my mind, to know this connection is a blessing, this connection is divine, this connection is a blessing that you never press decline. Gotta hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that, yeah, you know that I need it, yeah, I need to talk, 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 talk with you. Gotta wanna walk, 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 walk with you. Hit you up in the morning.
I need to get some new makeup brushes. I don't know why, but these e.l.f. brushes, look at this. It got all messed up. I don't know, like, the type of material the brushes are, but some of them are like not sturdy. Like I got a whole set from like Target, so it's different, like different brushes, but the ones that are like this type are not sturdy. This one, the design is different, if that makes sense, so it's sturdier. So I don't know, but I'm gonna need to get, the whole thing is like broken off, and it's even, this brush is even loose too. It's like hanging by a thread right now. Alright, so this concealer tip may be it. We're gonna see how my eyeshadow lasts, but I think that concealer as a primer for your eyeshadow may be it. So let's see. Or do I have to redo my eyeshadow again later? Alright, I'm kind of doing like a neutral look. I didn't want to do too much, so I'm just doing that.
Hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk, 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 talk. What you got? I wanna walk, 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 walk with you. The prayers of the righteous availeth much.
To give it a little bit pop, I'm gonna actually, you guys know I'm a thing for glitter, but I don't want to do too much, so I'm actually gonna use my eyeshadow stick, which if I can find it, that I got from a free box whatever ambassador program when I was an ambassador, for like 2 seconds, with the whole brown theme, because I want to be pretty neutral in terms of the color and everything. So this is the Margot Cargo stick. I show this a lot of times. It's an eyeshadow brush, but I think it's so cool. I would definitely want to buy this in the future, but I need to finish what I have now. But I think it's a cool, like, addition. Looks like a lipstick. It's actually for your eyeshadow.
Talk, talk, what you got? I wanna walk, 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 walk with you. The prayers of the righteous availeth much. That's why, Jolene, I gotta keep in touch, yeah. Pick up the phone, I'm here alone, and I need the one that sits on the throne. You know just what I need before I say a thing. You know just what I need, but you still just wanna talk to me. Gotta hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk, 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 talk. What you got? I wanna walk, 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 walk with you. Hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk, 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 talk. What you got? I wanna walk, 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 walk with you. I'm missing every piece of the puzzle, and I think that I don't need to speak to the only one who sees everything going on inside everything that I'm trying to hide, everything I've been trying to fight, everything. So reposture my heart, reposture my mind, to know this connection is a blessing, this connection is divine, this connection is a blessing that you never press decline. Gotta hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that, yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk, 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 talk with you. God, I wanna walk, 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 walk with you. Hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that, yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk, 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 talk with you. God, I wanna walk, 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 walk with you. The prayers of the righteous availeth much. That's why I hit your line, I gotta keep in touch, yeah. Pick up the phone, I'm here alone, and I need the one that sits on the throne. You know just what I need before I say a thing. You know just what I need.
Hey, yo, Hot, is this thing on?
Hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening.
This is the same hairstyle from the video that's uploading today, actually, of me doing the twat out, which is a twist out and braid out. But the reason why I took them out yesterday was to save me trouble of redoing it, just in case if I didn't like it or if it was too fuzzy, which some parts were. I could just retwist it for today and it won't take me forever. So now, like, I just put them in big twists. You guys, like, it just amazes me, like, how much my hair has grown, because within the past, I feel like, year, it's grown the most it's grown ever. I really think it's due to my twist, but it's also due to, I feel like, the new products. I told you that oils, that brand, that black-owned business that I've been using, like, I feel like it has really made my hair flourish. So this is how the twists look now, but I'm gonna, of course, unravel them more to make them full. But the reason why I say I knew my hair has grown a lot and I noticed the difference, because usually when I used to do, like, just do chunky twists like this, my hair was way shorter. It was, like, not that short, but it was, like, up there. And you guys have not seen me, like, when I, like, first cut it, when I had, like, no hair. I do have a video talking about that if you guys want to see it, like, how it became natural. But yeah, I remember, like, my hair was so short, so, like, when I see my hair, like, at this length now, it's, like, crazy to me, like, how much it has progressed, just overall. I think my aunt is here. I gotta go answer the doorbell, you guys. That was quick. Just finished the rest of my hair. Alright, so this is the final look. I gotta go. I gotta switch looks and figure out what I'm doing. While I'm at it, are you following me on TikTok? Follow me on TikTok. Thank you, please, and thank you. So I'm gonna try the Duvolle now with makeup on to see how it works. So I'm just gonna wet my face with my spray bottle just to get my face a little wet. And as I told you guys before, I used the CeraVe foaming cleanser. So I'm actually just going to apply it to the brush itself this time around, not to my face because I have makeup on it. And this is the Duvolle brush, like I mentioned. I still use it. I just want to get all the makeup off my face right now, so I don't plan to go to the shower yet, but so I was playing myself. I was just probably either wiping your face one layer, or what I did the second time around, I just went in my shower and just kind of kept on washing off the brush until, like, I got a good sturdy clean off of my makeup, and then I did a final wash again. So if that makes sense, but I would say probably you should clean off most of your makeup and then go ahead with the brush. So yeah. even half. I'm gonna have to go in again, rinse this and go in with another layer.